Expertise is developed, not given. It means you put in the time, the effort, the training to reach where you are now. Being an expert means you built your body and your mindset. It means you go into action the moment you hear that buzzer. Every tick of the clock is another decision you make. You're not thinking about your last move. You're predicting your next 3 moves. All that time in practice, all that effort in training turns into success. You cross that finish line. A focus and dedication to great inputs yields great outputs. Accurex AI, an automatic diagnostic tool built on expert-verified data from over 50,000 machines. Accurex delivers reliable insights from day one, so you can put your expert mindset into action.